Welcome everyone. Welcome boys and girls. Hallo maatjies. Ek hoop julle is gereed om te leer. I hope you're ready to learn. Welkom by vandag se graad 1 Afrikaanse les. Welcome to today's grade 1 Afrikaans lesson. Kan julle raai waaroor gaan ons vandag gesels? Can you take a guess what we're going to talk about today? Jy is reg. You are correct. We are going to talk about different professions in Afrikaans. We are going to talk about beroepe. Can you say the word beroepe? Beroepe means professions. Is julle gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. Let's begin. Ons kry 'n dokter. Dokter, also known as a doctor. Die dokter help die mense wanneer hulle siek is. The doctor helps people when they are sick. Can you say the word dokter? Ons kry 'n verpleegster. Verpleegster, also known as a nurse. Die verpleegster help die dokter in die hospitaal. The nurse helps the doctor in the hospital. Can you say the word verpleegster? Verpleegster. Ons kry ook 'n brandweerman. Brandweerman, also known as a firefighter. Die brandweerman help om die vuur te blus. The firefighter helps to stop the fire. Can you say the word brandweerman? Ons kry ook 'n juffrou. Juffrou, also known as a teacher. Die juffrou is in die klaskamer. The teacher is in the classroom. Another example is that I am an Afrikaans juffrou. Ek is 'n Afrikaanse juffrou. I am an Afrikaans teacher. Can you say the word juffrou? Ons kry ook 'n polisieman. Polisieman, also known as a policeman. Die polisieman help om die dief te vang. The policeman helps to catch the thief. Polisieman. Try saying the word polisieman. Ons kry ook 'n boer. 'n Boer, also known as a farmer. Die boer werk op die plaas. Die boer werk op die plaas. The farmer works on the farm. The farmer works on the farm. Probeer bietjie boer sê. Try saying the word boer. Ons kry ook 'n kok. 'n Kok, also known as a chef. Die kok werk in 'n kombuis. The chef works in a kitchen. Try saying the word kok. Ons kry ook 'n haarkapper. Haarkapper, also known as a hairdresser. Die haarkapper sny mense se hare. The hairdresser cuts people's hair. Ons kry ook 'n winkelier. Winkelier, which is also known as a shopkeeper. Die winkelier werk in die winkel en verkoop kos. The shopkeeper works in the shop and sells food. Probeer bietjie winkelier sê. Try saying the word winkelier. Ons kry ook 'n bouer. Bouwer, also known as a builder. Die bouer help om die huis te bou. The builder helps to build the house. Probeer bietjie die woord bouer sê. Try saying the word bouer. Ons kry ook 'n bestuurder, also known as a driver. Die bestuurder vat die kinders skool toe met 'n bus. The driver takes the children to school on a bus. Probeer bietjie die woord bestuurder sê. Try saying the word bestuurder. Sjoemaatjies, onthou, hoe meer ons oefen, hoe beter word ons. Julle doen almal fantastiese werk. Remember, boys and girls, the more we practice, the better we become. You are all doing a fantastic job. Luister gou mooi. Listen carefully. Verpleegster. Dokter. Brandweerman. Right, boys and girls, I'm now going to say the words slowly so that you can repeat the word after me. Verpleegster. Dokter. Brandweerman. Luister gou mooi. Listen carefully. Juffrou, boer, polisieman. Right, boys and girls, I'm going to say them slowly and you're going to repeat after me. Juffrou, boer, polisieman. Fantasties, maatjies. Fantastic, boys and girls. Luister gou mooi. Listen carefully. Haarkapper, winkelier, kok. Okay, maatjies, ek gaan die woordjies nou stadig sê en dan gaan jy die woordjie na my sê. I'm going to say the word slowly and then you can repeat each word after me. Haarkapper, winkelier, kok. Luister gou mooi. Listen carefully. Bouer, bestuurder. Right, say each word after me. Sê elke woord na my. Bouer, bestuurder. Fantasties, maatjies. Fantastic, boys and girls. Wow, julle het fantasties gedoen vandag. Wow, boys and girls, you all did a fantastic job today. Kom ons sê gou-gou. Repeat after me. Ek is 'n Afrikaans ster. Again. Ek is 'n Afrikaans ster. Boys and girls, always remember you are all Afrikaans stars and you are all doing an amazing job. Hou aan leer, hou aan glimlag, hou aan om Afrikaans te oefen. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep practicing your Afrikaans. Remember, the more you practice, the better you're going to get. Om Afrikaans te leer is pret. To learn Afrikaans is fun. Just before I go, I quickly want to ask you all a question. Net voordat ek gaan, wil ek vir julle elkeen 'n vraag vra. Wat wil jy eendag word? What do you want to become one day? Totsiens, maatjies. Goodbye, boys and girls. See you all next time.